If you've ever wondered how people are making consistent crypto profits without trading full-time, copy trading might be the answer, and today I'll show you how I used Luma Exchange to make money with it. Copy trading allows you to automatically replicate the trades of experienced traders in real time. Instead of guessing the market, you follow proven strategies and let professionals do the heavy lifting. Luma Exchange is designed specifically for binary and copy trading, offering seamless tools for both beginners and experienced traders. What makes it powerful is its clean interface, fast execution, and access to top-performing traders you can follow instantly. I selected high-performing traders on Luma Exchange, reviewed their past performance, risk level, and win rate, then allocated a portion of my crypto balance to copy their trades automatically. This approach helped me grow my account without constant chart analysis. To start copy trading on Luma Exchange, create and verify your Luma Exchange account, fund your wallet using crypto, navigate to the copy trading section, analyze top traders based on performance and risk, choose a trader and set your investment amount, activate copy trading and monitor results. Everything runs automatically once set up. Luma Exchange combines copy trading with binary trading opportunities, allowing users to benefit from short-term market movements with clear risk and reward, making it ideal for traders who want structured strategies. Beginner tips. Start small, diversify by copying more than one trader, and avoid emotional decisions. Luma Exchange makes it easy to adjust or stop trades anytime, keeping you fully in control. Whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader, Luma Exchange offers a complete ecosystem for copy trading and binary trading, making it one of the most effective platforms to generate passive and active income in crypto. If you want to learn more strategies like this, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. More guides coming soon on how to grow your crypto income using smart trading tools like Luma Exchange.